Hey guys, if you just watched the subwoofer video where I put this 8-inch PVC tube together, this is for you. I had to pull these tracks from the main video because YouTube was going to demonetize it due to copyright on the music that was supposedly not copywritten. I hope you enjoy this and please subscribe. I'll be doing that 8W7 in no time once I can afford to put that sucker together. Thanks. All right.
So original. You were never backing down, backing down, backing down.
All right, there it is. We did some messing around with positioning and that is optimal. Go ahead and turn it up, dude. This is some non-copyright music for you. We've got a 330 watt Audison hooked up to that at about 3/4 gain. Let's see what this looks like. Sounds like we tuned it right. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It definitely has a really nice low deep bass for an 8. I'm not going for total SPL here. I'm going for SQL, and that's what JL Audio does best in my opinion. So if you guys just want like a hard hitting sub and not have to deal with the whole build out and all that fun, just go buy yourself an 8-inch Bazooka tube. But if you're a bit more of an audiophile and you like really clean bass, or if you just want to tune it to your ears, do that build out and have fun. Put some comments if you have any questions.